Hello, welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin, and today I'm bringing back one of the boxes that I used to unbox in this channel. It's LashyBox. Now, LashyBox is an interesting company. They have several different types of boxes that you can get. So from magnetic to regular soft glam lashes to dramatic lashes, they got it all. So the prices did recently go up on their website due to everything just starting to be more and more expensive. So the prices have raised a couple dollars. However, if you were already a member before they raised their prices, they honor the original price in which you signed up for. So you can get it at the original price if you're already a member. If you're not, unfortunately, we have newer, higher prices now. They're not too bad. For this in particular box we're going to be going over is the magnetic box that they have. And this one costs $19.99. Now, you do have to pay shipping. I think it's like $3. So I think altogether it comes to like $23 or $24 for a subscription box. It is smaller, but it is packed full of goodies inside. Let's go ahead and open up and see what is this month's LashyBox for the magnetics. Now, I like to always put this like cute confetti paper in there. And this is the box looking at it, opening it. And on top, it looks like we got a pair of Mongolia lashes. And these look really pretty to me. They're not like too much, but just enough. I like these. These are a little bit more bold, but they're pretty. These are Aloha lashes. And these just look so pretty. I like how they put different brands besides just the LashyBox brand inside of the box. So you get to try new brands and things. It's kind of cool. We got a Ruby May magnetic liner in here, which comes in handy. I'm not going to open this because I normally open one at a time and then finish it and then open a new one. We do have a third pair of lashes in here, and these are Tulip Lashes by LashyBox. And then we have a little palette, and this is Mother Earth palette. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like. Okay, this is actually really cute. I'm happy with this palette. It has 6 shades in there. And let's go ahead and get some swatches of this stuff. Okay, that light purple I'm not too crazy impressed with, but I really did like that pink shimmer. And that dark purple's not too bad. Maybe, like, I'll have to let everyone know about this on my reviews that I do, because I will be trying this out and letting everyone know how it performs. It seems like the shimmers are a lot better in this palette than the mattes. But definitely have to give it a go and see. But either way, it's kind of cool they put a little palette in here. And then we do have one more item in here, and this is a pair of Cala Professional Tweezers in zebra print. So yeah, it doesn't seem like a lot, especially for $20, but these magnetic lashes are pretty expensive and you can wear them multiple times. So that's always a good thing. You just have to remember to clean them properly whenever you're done using them. If you have any questions about magnetic lashes, go ahead and drop it in the comments down below, and I'll be more than happy to answer anyone's questions that you may have about this in particular company or magnetic lashes in general. And that's everything I had for today. I'm Erin. Thank you so much for watching.